Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another dope edition of SAX Auto Trading Dealership Spotlights. Now, as you can see today, we're all the way out at Ferris in 4 Ways, where we will be checking out some really dope cars that they have on the floor, plus something really dope that they have to show us. So let's go check it out. Guys, what a place. What a place. Rochelle, hi.
Hi, Tuli, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Thank you so much for having us here today. Before we even get into how this place is so much of an art gallery, to me, it's an art gallery.
So just to give you some history, Ferris Cars has been around for 15 years.
Okay.
We specialize in Ferrari, Aston Martin, Lamborghini, Maserati, Porsche, McLaren and other exotic brands. What sets us apart comes down to 3 main things. Number 1, our dedicated team behind our brand. Number 2, our uncompromising level of services. And number 3, whether you're purchasing a 500,000 rand car or 5 million rand car, every client can expect the same level of exceptional service.
Tell me what's your top, I don't want to say top 2, let's say top 3. Show me what's your top 3 in the floor right now, on the floor right now.
Yeah, that's like asking me which supermodel I want to date. Personally, I like the 458.
Yes, definitely the 458, a must
So this
have.
is a 2009 Ferrari 458 Italia,
Okay.
finished in Rosso Scuderia. What makes this car very special, it's got the full carbon fiber interior trim. So yeah, this is very special to me.
It
and
still
everyone,
looks quite brand new. This was pre-owned, right?
Yeah, it's a pre-owned vehicle.
Whoever owned this actually took such good care of it. I'm impressed. Personally, I'm impressed. Do you wanna show me the interior so that we
let's
can
go
see?
for it.
So how I would personally personalize this car. I know you said no. I know you said no, but personally what I would do is get the carbon fiber bucket seats. I like me a good sports car, even like on a day-to-day basis. But this is clean. I'm all for it. Guys, every girl needs a Ferrari in her life. Every girl needs a Ferrari in her life. This is lovely. A 458 Italia. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's go to your second choice. What's your second choice on the floor?
Second choice would be this 2018 Maserati Grand Sports. What makes this car very special is it's the Centennial Edition.
Okay.
1 of 400.
1 of 400. Now, when you say 1 of 400, how many do you think are in South Africa at the moment?
I would say about 10 in the country.
Okay.
What makes this car very special, it's to commemorate Maserati's 100-year anniversary. So it's got the carbon fiber trim, it's got the Alcantara leather, it's got the leather dashboard,
Yes.
which makes it very special.
Does look like one of a few cars I would personally pick to have part of my collection. Okay, cool. And then your last pick?
Last pick, that would be the 2009 Ferrari 599 GTB.
Ooh.
Finished in Rosso Corsa with a tan leather interior and the
Ooh.
black inserts.
The tan interior has my attention. Has my full-on attention. I like a good interior. And also, I highly believe that every female, I'm saying this again, every female deserves a Ferrari in her life.
That's
and
so
this
true.
tan works really well. So this is the 598.
599 GTB.
599, my bad. 599, yes. Tell me a little bit more about it.
So this is more of a Grand Tourer. It's a front engine V12. Ferrari was renowned for making front engine V12s when they first started.
Okay, cool.
I mean, what makes this car special? Obviously the carbon fiber dashboard. It's got 600 horsepower, so you can get to your destination very quickly.
Of course, it's Ferrari. It's Ferrari. Standard, yes.
Yeah.
Lovely, I love this. This is 2011.
2009.
2009.
Yeah, very special car.
Very special car. One of the collections as well.
Yep.
One for the collections as well. Guys, I'm mad impressed. Okay, Rochelle, you said you've got one more stop to take me to. Right. Oh, okay. Now we're talking.
Yeah, welcome
Now
to our
we're
workshop, Tilly.
Thank you so much.
As you can see, the guys are busy working on this Maserati Picale, just removing the wrap.
Okay.
It came in for a small dent,
Okay.
so that's what they're busy with right now.
So you guys do your own detailing in-house.
Yeah, all in-house.
Okay, so
detailing,
what
wrapping.
is it? What are the elements that you guys offer here in your workshop?
So what we offer is maintenance and repairs, servicing, supplying OEM parts, What else?
The detailing.
The detailing, of
Yes.
course, the wrapping.
Yes.
Wheel and mag repairs.
Yeah. And I can see the wheel alignment there.
Yeah, eventually that lift will be for wheel alignments.
Ooh. Guys, I am personally mad impressed. I love this place. Ferris is definitely part of my personal top 5 right here in Johannesburg. Make sure you do pop by to check out their floor. They have a beautiful collection of Italian cars, and maybe if you've got the budget, you might just get yourself something. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, that is SAX Auto Trading, and don't forget to visit us on our website, that is saxautotrading.com, for more of our dealership spotlights. From me today, peace out.